just released the 11th Car Trek series here on VINwiki, and I hope that you loved it, but obviously not everybody did. And so today we've compiled some of the most entertaining mean comments from each video. I asked the other guys to read some as well, and so that's what today is going to be. But of course, Car Trek would not be possible without Auto Tempest and the Ticket Clinic. And the best way for you to make more Car Trek happen is by supporting Auto Tempest. And literally right now, please do click the link in the description below. If you're looking for your next car, Autotempest.com is the most powerful way to do so because they compile the results from all the major listing sites into one place. But even if you're not currently in the market for your next car, check out Autotempest.com now to see what's new. My favorite new thing they've just added is their price trends tool. That allows you to see the historic asking prices of the cars like the ones you're looking at to see if prices are going up, going down, or anywhere in between, to give you as much information as is available as you make your offer and become the shrewdest negotiator imaginable. So check out Autotempest.com now to find your next car and thank them for their support of Car Trek and VINwiki. Autotempest.com, all the cars, one search.
Anyone want to sponsor Freddie a bra? I can't watch this episode with the fam. I mean, listen, if this YouTube thing ever dries up, then I know I have a budding career in, well, let's just say more adult entertainment.
I hate Ed Bolian. Why? Well, I'm not sure why, but apparently it's because I remind him of Alan's dad in Jumanji. Strong reference there.
Please don't cheap out on the filming crew next time. Anyhow, stoked for this season. We were stoked for this season. We'd also be stoked with a Netflix budget. Phone lines are open.
Oh boy, doing these again. It's been a couple of years. I certainly don't miss it, and we're starting off strong. And the biggest jerk of all is in the video, Stupid Hoovy. That grammatically makes absolutely no sense, but yes, I am an absolute complete moron, so it's an accurate description. I'm not sure about being a jerk. What I do with it was jerky in it.
Imagine cheating and still having the worst car. Clown emoji. All right, so I guess they're talking about me. My car was a Mark III Toyota Supra Turbo, and it wasn't the worst car at all. I mean, it had basically the most power. I think it was the most sort of iconic out of the three. And it also, I mean, other than that one slight hiccup with the timing belt, it did make it all the way.
Ed sounds like Dave Chappelle's white guy voice. I have gotten this quite often. It's just the way my voice sounds. People think it's fake or whatever. Then they meet me in person like, oh wow, you really do sound that way. And I guess so does Dave. The only authentic thing in this series is Ed's gay vibe. Well, I do wear a lot of patterned shirts and colorful shoes, so I guess I'll take it.
I'm considering unsubscribing from all your channels. I'm done with you clowns. Here's a tip. This isn't an airport. You don't need to announce your departure.
I must have gotten this Top Gear DVD at the Dollar General. Well, they had millions of dollars for their budget, so I think we did pretty well.
I really hate Ed logic so much that it makes me want to punch him. Well, that's not the way we deal with our conflicts, but I appreciate the feedback. And hey, Ed math always works.
Freddie sure is the Florida trailer park queen of the bunch. I can fix him is his life motto. That is 100% accurate.
How's your back from all the carrying, Tyler? It's fine. It's strong. I feel good, but I definitely don't feel like I carried the series because Ed and Freddie had their own amazing moments in this trek. I'm so glad it came back. But yeah, I always have the best car and do the best things. So yeah, Tyler Weens.
Ed strikes me as someone that cyberstalks his customers, then plays characters to get close to them so he can steal their shoes and underwear. That is an elaborate accusation, sir, and I have no idea where you might have come up with something like that. Ed, tell your boyfriend to teach you about clothing. You're now passing James May in bad clothes. Well, that is great company to be in all senses of the word, but I suppose I can try to branch out a little more. Thanks.
At least Fakar was only totally annoying in his appearance. He's usually much worse. They can't cut him from the series fast enough and replace him with Christopher Michaels. Well, Christopher Michaels, season 12 is all yours.
Episode 1 was awesome. Cool. As a Hernandez, I don't understand how Freddie is always losing. Love you, Freddie, but as Joe Biden says, come on, man. Okay, so as a Hernandez, I guess, I mean, I don't... Are we cousins? Are we, like, are you my uncle? Did my uncle write this?
April, I have Tyler's checkbook. I don't think that'll help her right now. That's very, very accurate. incredibly accurate.
Ed is wearing my grandmother's shoes. Well, she has great taste and is probably comfortable. Also, the spirit of Liberace called for Ed. He wants his shoes back. Hey, I mean, how much picking on my shoes can they do? They've hit one pedal at a time, and they are lovely to walk around in.
Ozempic got Fakara. No, divorce got Fakara, but the results were the same.
This is like if three acoustic kids made a car show. It's so bad, but also you can't look away because it could get worse. I don't think he meant acoustic. You have to be on the spectrum somewhere to make automotive YouTube content. Otherwise, it just doesn't work because I guess you're too normal.
Tired, formulaic, unoriginal, and dated from two of the most interesting creators and a flog from Kansas. A flog, that's a new one. I like that one.
Drink every time Ed says Bugatti. We cannot advise this. It does come up quite a lot in this series in the legitimate and the totally fake sense.
John Fakara should be sponsored by Just for Men. I think the Silver Fox thing's working for me.
Freddie sucks. Ed also sucks. I think this was written by Tyler.
Freddie and Ed, you both suck. Tyler, your wife is going to take all your money. Well, I got news for you. Thanks for saying I don't suck, by the way. But I'm actually taking all of April's money. The supermodel moved to Kansas. She gave me $100,000 to help me pay off all this house renovation stuff, and then bought me a place to hang out in Arizona. So it's actually the opposite.
I prefer Ed's junk. Well, I appreciate that. My junk is reserved for my wife, but that's very nice of you to say. Does Ed ever get sick of smelling his own farts? Well, usually in these series, we don't have air conditioning or other climate controls, so the answer is very much yes.
Tyler is not funny, but he tried so hard, and Freddie, I just don't like, period. This is a guy who has a profile picture of somebody in a stall taking a dump. So, if you don't like me, I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you.
Whatever Med is taking, he needs more. And, well, it's just hoopties and supermodels. I mean, yeah, it's great.
Ah, the John Fakara Show, with these three no-names on it. Well, I try to be generous and give them as much screen time as possible.
I can't stand Ed, but this is what an American version of Top Gear needs to be. I love both of those things, and I appreciate you, Dime, 6-string, 4510, and I don't know, this is, I guess, as close as we're going to get in the short term to an American Top Gear. Ed is 39. I swear he's late 50s. Dude looks awful for his age. Well, I can't disagree with you there, but yes, I am turning 40 this year. What a thing.
Production value seems off. Feel fortunate you didn't have to stay in that bedbug-infested motel, okay?
Why does Freddie look like he needs a bath all the time? Someone donate a haircut to him, too. It was about 1,000 degrees when we filmed this in Kansas, and it was going up and down, so Kansas usually is like pretty moderate, but it was unseasonably hot, and then we went to Galveston, Texas, a place where no human should ever be, and it was about 10,000 degrees, and even on the best of days, I am a sweater. I sweat a lot. It's just something that happens to my body. And I do take showers, and my hairline is receding. Something that happens when you get older.
Tyler, Jeff Goldblum called, and he said if you're going to steal his speaking cadence, could you at least be a little taller and better looking? And Freddie, don't think I've missed you, or should I say Chandler Bing? Stutter talking was his specialty. Great show, guys. Well, I'm not sure about the Freddie part. That's definitely weird. But Jeff Goldblum, I've heard that before. People say I talk a lot like him, but actually I am only 1 inch shorter than Jeff Goldblum, so we're a similar height. I'm definitely not as handsome as that beautiful, beautiful man, though. Definitely.
You should barn find some charisma and give it to Ed. We do love a good barn find here at VINwiki, but haven't found one full of charisma. We'll keep looking. Ed is annoying. Well, I suppose that's true sometimes.
John Fakara's first outing directing this season, getting Jumping the Shark vibes. Sorry, guys. Hey, I tried to convince all three of them to get into leather jackets and put on water skis, but it wasn't in the budget.
Bad acting, more contrived than the bad sitcom, terrible continuity, awful editing, as funny as pulling nose hairs, which I find kind of funny. Welcome back! Well, there's a nice thing at the end, so I appreciate that. But yeah, we're definitely hammy.
Why does Ed read but look blind when he reads? It might be because sometimes I'm making these text messages from Auto Tempest up on the fly.
So funny watching YouTubers trying to act like TV actors. Y'all are dorky AF. I mean, that's kind of the point of this show. If you realize how cringy and corny some of the early Top Gear episodes were, I mean, that's where we are, except we don't have a budget.
This is even dumber than Tyler's automotive channel on YouTube. Thank you. Thank you very much. It is the dumbest automotive channel in all of YouTube. Yes.
Right now, we've got the best deal we've ever offered from Avalon King. Their AS9 DIY ceramic coating is $30 off at the link in the description below, making it the best value in the world of ceramic coatings. They've also got half off of their IPA prep spray if you want that as well. It makes it so much easier to put the coating on, to level it out, and get the shine that you're looking for. One box is enough for a small to medium-sized car, maybe two if you've got a big SUV, and really anybody can coat an entire car in about an hour and a half. So check them out now at the link in the description below to thank them for their support of VINwiki and make your car look incredible with Avalon King.